The front end hasn't quite come alive as yet. Here they are, Modi winning it back in a good area. Now Shabadada, good ball, great chance! 1-0 Kaizer Chiefs. First shot on score, Flavia De Silva, and it's Kaizer Chiefs that grab the lead. Right on cue. They come alive in winning it back nice and high up the field, and Modi involved. And for Flavia De Silva, no problem in getting the better of Rodman Williams. Chiefs lead. All about the hard work on the front end defensively here. Williams, that was the best of balls upfield here. Modi's touch. That pass from Shabadala needed to be released early. It buys an extra second here for the extra touch. Whilst Williams gets a touch onto it, there's no denying Kaizer Chiefs the best moment of the match so far with their first real attack of the game. Big moments.